The economics of real estate. There are 6 things that we need to know about real estate, and this will help you when you are talking about real estate to your buyers and sellers. The more information you have about real estate and how it can make them money as well as make you money will be able to benefit you immensely and give you instant respect and rapport with your buyer or seller. So here are the 6 things to know about real estate. First, know that real estate has active and passive income. Active income is when somebody gets paid hourly or salary by doing a job for X amount of time. Passive or residual income is when somebody does something one time and then they continue to make money on that project, or for real estate, a house that they flip. So if somebody goes in and flips a house, it can take them a few months to flip the house, but once they're done, they already made money once they sell it. The same thing happens when you go ahead and rent out an investment property. You buy it one time, and then you get paid a residual income every single month that the renter pays you money. The second thing to know are assets and liabilities. Assets make you money. Liabilities are a debt. So here's a few examples about an asset. An asset is an investment property because that makes you money when you rent it out or when you sell it if you flipped it. A lot of people think that their primary residence is also an asset. However, according to the IRS, they label our primary residence as a liability because we're paying a monthly mortgage on it along with homeowners insurance and property taxes. And it's not making us money month by month like we are when we are renting. But you will be able to make equity, which is the third thing you need to know about real estate. So one of the things that I do with my buyers, I have them buy a home that's a little bit outdated, that may need a little bit of cosmetic TLC, such as new flooring or new paint. And then that way they can go ahead and buy it at a better value instead of full retail value. And then in 3 to 5 years when they move or outgrow the house, they can get equity back, which will be able to help them pay for all the fees when they sell it. The next thing to know is infinite return. Infinite return is kind of what I talked about before when you buy and hold. Buy and hold means you buy a property, you are going to rent it out month after month. The way that this gives you infinite return is because not only are you getting a monthly income, but you are also going to be able to keep getting income until you sell it. So if you sell it, you can also make that equity when you do. The fifth thing is buying properties by borrowing money from a private investor or from a bank. Robert Kiyosaki in Rich Dad Poor Dad teaches us that we can have debt, such as a loan from a bank, but we can still make money with our debt, because as long as your monthly mortgage is lower than their monthly rental income, you'll be making a profit, which is making you money each month. The last thing that you need to know about economics of real estate are tax advantages. You get a lot of tax advantages, whether it's on your primary residence or if it's on your investment property. So make sure you hire a great tax accountant and a real estate attorney to be able to explain each of these things to you. Another quote from Rich Dad Poor Dad. He says, if you have a combination of being an entrepreneur in business and real estate, you will become more successful and you'll never have to pay your way through life. And that's what you want to be able to teach yourself and to your clients. So question of the day. What type of real estate has made you money? Comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, comment below, hit the like button, and of course, subscribe for more regular videos. See you next time.